zombie.
Why don't you stand up on the chair and keep the thing?
Oh, I'll get to you from right here. Watch your head. Watch your head. Propellers, man. Get decapitated.
Okay. Yeah.
Run through. A fall.
Oh, no, wait.
Wait, is that gonna be all over your camera?
No, no.
If I blow in his face.
Well, he's covering his thing.
Okay.
Was that good?
Yeah. We should actually just do it like that. We'll get your fall.
Oh, I'm getting leakage. I'm getting leakage.
Oh, just go. Hold on, wait. Okay, start it. And start blowing. Fuck, we need more. Wait, it's just a continuation of it.
I'm going back from here.
Apply pressure to it.
Holy shit, that is a lot of blood, dude. Okay, go. Come on. Keep going, dude. You didn't even put a lot of blood in it. Dude. Oh, shit. Wait. Action, go.